Good morning, friends. So today's Easter for me. I say that like I'm in a different time zone, but really you're just seeing the video. My family and I are trying to have as normal of an Easter as possible. This evening, my parents and I are gonna FaceTime my brother and sister. So we're gonna get to talk to them and see how they're doing. And I mean, we've been FaceTiming them all along, but it's a good chance to just sort of be all together that way. It's really nice out here today, so maybe we'll go like, I don't know, sit on the porch or something. Today's a rest day for running, so I won't be getting in any miles. And I know we're probably going to be calling up our other relatives as well that we would normally be spending Easter with and checking in with them. It's interesting because there's not a whole lot to talk about. I'm sure a lot of you guys have noticed that the only thing kind of worse than the actual being stuck inside is having to talk about being stuck inside with everyone that you talk to. It kind of eliminates the all small talk, and you kind of have to talk about, you have to find other things to fill your conversations with. It's really interesting. It's definitely something I've never run into before, just the lack of small talk. I think my mom put it this way, it reminds us of how, like when you're applying to colleges and stuff, and everybody asks you like where you're applying and like where you want to go, what's your top choice, that kind of thing, and you sort of have this script of what you say when someone asks you that, and you just hate having the conversation, but it always comes up because that's the one thing that's going on. It's kind of like that. Yeah, we're gonna talk with our relatives and hopefully have something more to talk about than just quarantine, and that'll be really good. I have been liking the morning release thing, where I edit it, upload it, and then set it to release in the morning. I do enjoy that because then I kind of just forget about it until it comes out, and that's really good for me because what I'll do is I'll watch the video back a bunch of times, even if I know it's as good as it's kind of gonna get. I have this habit of just watching it over and over just to check, just to see if it's still good. It hasn't changed, but I keep watching it over and over, and that kind of prevents that. Saves me a lot of time. I'm gonna try to ease into doing like more traditional vlogs where I kind of carry around the camera with me a little bit. I want to get into that a little more, but it is more time consuming, and I have to figure out how to work that in to my schedule. But that's something I kind of want to get into. So stay tuned for that. I feel like that'll make these vlogs a little more interesting and fun to watch for you guys. So yeah, thank you for watching. I hope you had a safe, healthy Easter with your family in some sort of connectivity way. Until tomorrow, peace.